Hello friends, Dr. Naeem Shahid is here. Today we are talking about DeepSeek. Imagine an AI so powerful that it can reason, code, and process information just like a human, only faster and more efficiently. Well, meet DeepSeek v3-0324, a groundbreaking AI model that is taking the tech world by storm. But what exactly is DeepSeek? How does it work? And why should you care? Stay tuned as we break it all down in simple and engaging language. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Trend AI Today, for more AI-related content that keeps you ahead in the world of technology. What is DeepSeek v3-0324? DeepSeek v3-0324 is an advanced AI language model developed by DeepSeek, a rising Chinese AI company. This model is designed to improve natural language understanding, reasoning, and even coding. It competes with some of the best AI models out there, like OpenAI's GPT series and Google's Gemini. DeepSeek v3-0324 is trained using vast amounts of data, allowing it to generate human-like text, answer complex questions, assist with programming, and provide deep insights into various subjects. The goal of DeepSeek is to create an AI assistant that enhances productivity, simplifies tasks, and improves overall efficiency in multiple industries. Features of DeepSeek v3-0324. So, what makes DeepSeek v3-0324 special? Here are some of its key features. Number 1. Enhanced natural language understanding. It processes and understands complex sentences, making it an excellent conversational AI. Number 2. Advanced coding capabilities. DeepSeek is particularly skilled at assisting programmers, debugging code, and suggesting optimized solutions. Number 3. Multitasking efficiency. Unlike traditional AI, DeepSeek can perform multiple tasks at once without losing accuracy. Number 4. Fast and accurate responses. It delivers high-speed processing with minimal errors, making it a reliable AI assistant. Number 5. Multilingual support. DeepSeek v3-0324 supports multiple languages, enabling a broader reach and improved global usability. Number 6. Data analysis and research support. It can process vast amounts of data, summarize key insights, and assist in research-related tasks. Scalability. Whether for individual users or enterprises, DeepSeek can scale its processing power based on demand. Advantages of using DeepSeek. DeepSeek v3-0324 comes with numerous advantages that set it apart from traditional AI models. Let's explore a few. Number 1. High accuracy in responses. Unlike older AI models, DeepSeek provides highly precise and context-aware answers. Number 2. Better coding support. Whether you're a beginner or a professional developer, DeepSeek can help streamline your coding process. Number 3. Improved conversational abilities. It's more human-like in its responses, making interactions feel more natural. Number 4. Time-saving AI. With its ability to process tasks quickly, DeepSeek helps businesses and individuals save valuable time. Number 5. Customization and adaptability. Users can fine-tune DeepSeek for specific use cases, making it a flexible AI assistant. Benefits of DeepSeek v3-0324. Apart from its advanced features and advantages, DeepSeek brings numerous benefits to different sectors. Number 1. For businesses, automates customer support, enhances content creation, and improves operational efficiency. Number 2. For researchers, speeds up data analysis, assists in academic writing, and helps generate valuable insights. Number 3. For developers, writes, tests, and optimizes code, making programming easier and more efficient. Number 4. For students and educators, assists in learning, provides detailed explanations, and helps generate study materials. Number 5. For content creators, generates high-quality articles, scripts, and even social media posts. How does DeepSeek function? DeepSeek v3-0324 operates through a sophisticated AI framework. Here's how it works. Number 1. Data processing. The AI model takes large datasets from various sources and analyzes them for patterns. Number 2. Learning and training. It continuously improves by learning from previous interactions and updates. Number 3. Generating responses. When you input a query, DeepSeek processes the data and generates a relevant response. Number 4. Feedback mechanism. Users can provide feedback, helping the model improve over time. Number 5. Integration with app. DeepSeek can be integrated into different platforms, including websites, chatbots, and software tools. DeepSeek v3-0324 is shaping the future of AI with its powerful capabilities, high efficiency, and advanced reasoning skills. Whether you're a developer, researcher, business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this model is definitely worth exploring. Want to stay updated on the latest AI innovations? Then make sure to subscribe to Trend AI today for more exciting and informative videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to help others discover the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.